It's a beautiful day today in Los Angeles, California, and we just finished customizing another Cybertruck with a military spec inspired. We're outside of the Army Reserve, and I'm proud to share with you guys this beautifully wrapped military spec 3M matte military green transformation on all the exterior stainless steel panels. And you know what, guys, this is vinyl film, and it's actually thicker than most films out there, and it does still protect the stainless steel underneath. But this is all about a color change. This is all about a whole new vision on how this customer thought their Cybertruck should look. And to finish it all off, as you can see, we obviously tinted the windows. This is a must on all Cybertrucks, but the wheels was an interesting choice. And you know what? I think it's absolutely perfect for this wrap. This customer wanted to stay within the 20-inch wheel and tire range, just like what came with his Cybertruck, but he wanted to ditch the Goodyear tires because, quite frankly, they're not the greatest. We replaced the 20-inch tires using the all-terrain tire Wild Peak spec from our friends at Falcon. This is a great tire. This is an improvement over the factory Goodyear tire. And he chose our TCS Steelies. These wheels are very durable, very truck Steelie inspired, very military spec. He loved the look. They're quite affordable. And they bolt right on using the original Tesla mounting lug nuts, as you can see, and it still is a 20-inch wheel and tire option. This is great for those of you out there that want something maybe for all-terrain use, maybe for some snow use, or just as an overall upgrade, or how about as a spare, right? Getting a spare wheel and tire for your Cybertruck, since it doesn't come with one, we offer it with the Steelie, quite affordable. Anyway, what do you guys think? This wrap is done. The wheels are done, the tint is done, the customer is on the way to the shop to pick it all up, and I am really pleased to share this with you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you love our Cybertruck content as of recent, and you love our Tesla content, please subscribe to our channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.